Monday, June 8th, and it's actually been several weeks since I've done a video. Dad has been very busy putting in his garden, and Aidan was away on some personal business, so they only got back to this yesterday. Dad's been working a little bit on the Bombardier, but not much. He's been focusing more in on his 400 hills of potatoes and carrots and cucumbers and corn and this and that and the other thing. But one of the things I missed yesterday was they put the steering column in for the power steering. So that would have been an easier task because the front is all opened up. And I see Aidan's working on some tires here. Aidan, what are you doing today?
Well, we finished installing the steering.
Yeah.
Put that back in because we want to be able to take this outside to sand it.
Yeah.
So we threw that all back together. We did the power steering install yesterday.
Did you get the guts into it or just the steering rod?
No, just the steering. Like it'll be good enough first to move it around.
Okay.
And then once we finish sanding and painting everything, then we can reinstall that.
Okay.
There's no electrical in this thing at all.
Okay. So Aidan's just cleaning up the tires here. He's going to put the tires on the front so that they're ready to go. And these are new arms here, steering arms, or ski arms, I guess. And he's got one side already done, all greased up, ready to go. And I think the intent was eventually we're going to do the foam fill of all the tires. But we got to get these back out of the shop, pushed out, and then we can take them back off.
Yeah, we put the spring dampers in too.
Oh, you did? Where did you found some?
Yep. We had one set left.
Okay. It's the last set, guys, right there. Can't find them anywhere in all of North America. So that is the last set for spring dampers. And then...
No, we got one set yet.
Where did you find another set?
Upstairs.
So there's another set up there yet?
Yep, guess so.
Okay, well, Dad says there's two sets. I'm pretty sure that was the last one.
There's one set left after this.
Okay, I'll hold you to it.
Uh,
Anyways, spring dampers in. One side with the tires in. Dad's garden is in. And Dad and Aidan are happy to be working again here together. And then, but it's towards the end of the day here. There's not much else going on, guys. Like I said, a couple of weeks off. Dad was more focused in on trying to get his garden in than anything else. So this is why you're going to see this massive jump between the daily videos is just had nothing to take a video of. We did get those 7 motors and transmissions out the door. Dogs are excited because it's a little warmer right now, so they can go swimming. Nothing new on the inside other than sanding. Aidan's got everything cut here for the ceiling for it to be placed in. And but yeah, they need to move this out of the shop so they can do more sanding and more painting. I really don't want it done in the shop, simply because of the fact it's just going to make this whole shop one big mess. But we've had some really hot days here, and if you notice, we got boats and an airboat here. So one of our customers would have dropped this off.
this is in for repairs underneath.
Okay.
Patches. And that one's got a head gasket rod.
Okay.
So we just ship that.
Okay. So
It's
this
a
is
brand new motor left.
yeah. So this is Dad's summer work. In between bombardiers, he'll be working on boats all summer, and these things come in basically.
If you look at the boys' bombardiers there, see their exhaust pipes?
Okay.
Can you see what's on there?
Looks like a
That's,
bucket or something.
they're stoves.
Okay, yeah, good. So yeah, this is Dad's summer work. It'll be boats and airboats coming in all summer long. And then we got the dogs here. There's Mila. This diff here was one Dad picked up for a spare. The one he's working on is underneath there. We still got to build a you see if you overhear this, the cage that's on that red Bombardier that's on the top. We're gonna have to build one for the green one here yet. customers paid this machine off. This one still has to be paid off. But yeah, there's progress there, and it's non-stop work. So, but Dad's, oh, look at that happy dog. Dad is busy, 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 and he wants to tell everybody, you know, Mr. and Mrs. Steve McCoy, obviously, and Mr. and Mrs. Clarence Olson, and Jeff Anderson, and my Auntie Joyce, and everybody, how much he appreciates everybody commenting. And the dogs are just living their best life around here. Old Charlie underneath the horse trailer over here, and that's where he kind of sticks around because it's cool down there. And the rest of them are just bouncing around, doing their thing, living their best life. But we've had a couple hot days around here. There's no fire risk anymore, and we've had a couple days of rain as well. So we're pretty happy about that. We've had 2 bad summers here with bad fire risk, and so working every corner of the shop here. And that's it for today, guys. We'll check in with Dad and Aidan later on.